We can have multiple members in an annotation. That will be demonstrated in this lesson. The existing code is similar to what you saw in the last lesson, except that we have added a new method to the home class called renovate. The plan is to create a new annotation and apply it to this method. It's good to note that annotations in Java can be applied to various program elements, such as classes, interfaces, methods, fields, parameters, and variables. Our new annotation will be called how much. We will give it two members, currency and amount. The retention policy will be runtime. We then apply the how much annotation to the renovate method and set the values of the members. We use the HC variable, which we got earlier from the get class method, to call the get method. It throws an exception, so we surround this with a try statement. The .get method is used to retrieve a reference to a method in the class by its name. The .get annotation method retrieves an annotation associated to the renovate method. In this case, the annotation is of type how much. The returned annotation is stored in the reno_anno variable. We use the print method to print the result of currency and amount. Now, when we run the program, we can see the results are printed out. Now, this was to demonstrate that you can have multiple members in an annotation, and so depending on your need, you can have more than one member.